Antonio, and this is my bike check. Okay, I got 8.75-inch stock amber bars, really nice. Chase Hawk grips, threaded forks, integrated bearing, integrated frame, Rodyssey tread, alienation rim, stock frame, stock cranks, 25-2 sprocket, 9-2 driver rail back, Odyssey twisted pedals. Over here, I got a bolt-on peg, very nice seat, it's very soft, I love it. Stock chain, I got another alienation room back here, Odyssey tread, and another bolt-on peg. These rims I bought after a bike, but they're very smexy and I love them a lot. That's my bike check.